I'm going to cover the steps to assemble the Bosch string trimmer model GRT18V 40. Unfold the shaft. Insert the nut into the hex opening on the shaft coupler. Hold the nut in place and screw the bolt into the nut. Tighten down the bolt with a hex wrench. Tighten down the second shaft bolt on the shaft coupler. Slide the trimmer guard into the slots on the trimmer head. Tighten down the screw with a Phillips screwdriver to hold it in place. Insert the ends of the edge guide into the holes on the sides of the trimmer head. Make sure the guide is angled down. The guide can be lifted up and held by the shaft hook or pushed down onto the trimmer head and secured onto the head. Remove the wing nut from the handle and remove the clamp plate. Open the cam lever on the handle. Connect the handle above the shaft coupler with the handle angled toward the trigger and battery. Slide the clamp plate under the tab on the handle and line up the hole with the bolt. Thread the wing nut onto the bolt so it's snug but the handle can move. Rotate the handle to a comfortable position. Push down the cam lever to lock the handle in place. The battery slides into the battery housing and locks in place. Push in the release button to remove it.